Foods that damage kidneys. Food to avoid with kidney problems. When you have kidney disease, it is essential that you pay close attention to what you eat in order to protect your health. A key component is avoiding food that can make your condition worse. Here are the top 10 foods that you must avoid. Avocados. Avocados are often praised for their nutritious qualities, including heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. While they are usually a healthy addition to any diet, those with kidney disease should avoid them. This is because avocados are a rich source of potassium. Just a single source of avocado provides a whopping 727 milligrams of potassium. That is double the amount found in a medium-sized banana. Avocados, including guacamole, should not be included on a renal diet, particularly if you have been told to watch your potassium intake. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain with a higher potassium and phosphorus content than its white counterpart. A cup of brown rice when cooked contains 150 milligrams of phosphorus and 154 milligrams of potassium. Healthy substitutes for brown rice include bulgur, buckwheat, pearled barley, and couscous, which are all lower in phosphorus. Bananas. Bananas are renowned for their high potassium content. While they are naturally low in sodium, one medium-sized banana provides 422 milligrams of potassium. It will be difficult to keep your daily potassium intake to 2,000 milligrams, which doctors recommend if bananas are a daily staple. Many other tropical fruits also have high potassium contents. However, pineapples contain much less potassium and can be a suitable alternative. Dairy. While dairy products are rich in vitamins and nutrients, they are also a natural source of phosphorus and potassium. Consuming too much dairy, along with other phosphorus-rich foods, can be detrimental to bone health in those with kidney disease. This sounds surprising, as milk and dairy are often recommended for strong bones. However, when the kidneys are damaged, too much phosphorus can cause a buildup of it in the blood. This can make your bones thin and weak and increase the risk of breakage or fractures. Oranges and orange juice. Oranges are most well known for their high vitamin C content, but they are also a rich source of potassium. One large fruit provides 333 milligrams of potassium, so both oranges and orange juice should ideally be avoided or very limited on a renal diet. Grapes, apples, and cranberries, as well as their juices, are all good substitutes as they have lower levels of potassium. Processed meats. Processed meats are associated with chronic diseases and are generally considered unhealthy due to their high level of preservatives. They have also usually been salted, dried, cured, or canned. Common examples include hot dogs, bacon, pepperoni, jerky, and sausage. Processed meat typically contains large amounts of salt to improve taste and preserve flavor. It will be difficult to keep your daily sodium intake to less than 2,000 milligrams if processed meats feature in your diet. Also, processed meats are high in protein. If you have been told to cut your protein intake, it is important to exclude processed meats for this reason too. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Both potato and sweet potatoes are potassium-rich vegetables, but did you know that cutting them into small pieces and boiling them for 10 minutes can reduce the potassium content by half? Also, potatoes that are soaked in water for at least 4 hours before cooking have even lower potassium levels. This method is called potassium leaching, or the double cook method. While double cooking lowers the potassium content, it isn't completely eliminated, so you have to be careful. It's best to practice portion control or eliminate them altogether. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a high potassium fruit that do not fit in the guidelines of a renal diet. Just a single cup of tomato sauce contains upwards of 900 milligrams of potassium. Choosing an alternative with lower potassium depends largely on your taste. However, switching tomato sauce for a roasted red pepper sauce is good for your health and can be equally delicious. Red peppers contain far less potassium per serving. Following a renal-friendly diet can seem daunting and restrictive at times. However, by making a few food substitutions, there's no reason why you shouldn't enjoy a rich and varied diet while protecting your health. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.